Hi everyone. Walking in the woods and I came across this little mushroom right here. This is a parasol mushroom. Isn't it pretty? You can see the little hairs on it. So this is called a parasol mushroom. It has been studied for its anti-cancer, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and immunomodulatory effects. It is poisonous if eaten raw, or it can cause gastrointestinal upset and just not feeling real good. So you should consult an herbalist when you use this. How I would use it is I would dehydrate it and make a tincture out of it. Isn't it just so pretty? There is the vulva, and there's what it looks like underneath. You can see that pretty little veil there. That came undone. Have a good day.